Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Wednesday, September 30th, 2015. Last day of September. Incredible how time flies. In the news today, we have Windows 10 Insider Preview that was leaked, which is build 10551. Now, we've been waiting for a preview. There was some possibility of last week getting one. Unfortunately, we did not, and we're still waiting this week. And I'm checking every day to make sure that we are up to date. And as soon as we have a new insider preview, for sure, I will be, of course, letting you guys know. What's interesting in the insider preview is that the leaked 10551 build seems to show improvements in Microsoft Edge, including the possibility to sync your favorites in between computers on Edge, and that is a great thing, and it's something that I've been waiting for. That's why I've been using Chrome most of the time, because it just syncs everything, and I like that. But you know what? Maybe it would be a good thing to make me change to Edge and use it a little more. And actually, I try to use it a lot. So these are some of the new features. So hopefully, let's cross our fingers. By the end of the week, maybe we could have an insider preview. That would be really cool to see. Updates in Windows 10. Well, you know what? When you are using your Windows 10 computer, a lot of people don't know it, but the apps and some of the features are upgraded slowly in the background without you even noticing that they are. And that's a cool way of having updates all the time. And two apps have been updated with Dark Theme in Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 and you use Mail and Calendar, you've got new apps. If you don't use it or haven't used it because you thought it wasn't that great, why not take a look again? I've been checking mine, and here's the Mail app. You can see here it has more of a dark theme in the menus and so on. It is quite interesting. Also, Calendar app, new dark theme as you see here also. So it's quite interesting to see that they've really, revamped the different apps. And you know what? They look nice. I actually find that more and more they are improved and look better and better all the time. So that's why if you haven't used your calendar or mail app because of some of the features, well, maybe you should take a peek at the new insider, not the insiders, sorry, the new mail and calendar apps for Windows 10, because these are updated all the time. And frankly, I really like the way they look and how they work, and they also have stability improvements. So take a peek to the new mail and calendar apps. They should have been updated on your Windows 10 computer by themselves. You can also go into the store and check out for updates if you don't see these improvements. Twitter has been announcing that they are looking at the possibility to increase the limit of tweets. Right now, if you use Twitter, you know that the limit is 140 characters, and you know that sometimes that drives you a little crazy because you want to say something, and you got to really limit, the words and how you write your tweets. One of the things that I like about that is that you really have to be, straight to the point when you explain or want to talk about something. But it's true that it's really a small limit. So no date yet, but apparently Twitter is really looking at the possibility of increasing the limit from 140 characters and having more of characters. I don't know how much they would update it, but it would be nice to have maybe 3, 4, 500 characters. Not limited. I want it limited because I don't want people to write 3 pages of documents in a Twitter feed. But yeah, I think it's a good idea to have more than 140 characters. Today, September 30th, is the release of OS 10 El Capitan for Mac computers. For those that don't know what this is, it's the equivalent of Windows for PCs. OS 10 is an operating system, and that's the operating system that runs on Mac computers. It's made by Apple. So the new version today is, it's the equivalent of when we had Windows 10, a new version of the operating system. And it does add apparently lots of improvements and lots of new features in Mac computers. So this will bring your version of Mac operating system to 10.11. OS 10 El Capitan, coming to a computer near you. If you have a Mac computer, why not check it out and update your computer? It is free. And finally, in our last news, Microsoft has announced that they will actually revamp the way they are reporting their earnings. They will now have three major branches. One will be the productivity and business processes segment. That includes Office 365 for commercial and consumer customers, as well as Dynamics and Dynamics CRM Online. There will be the intelligent cloud that will include public, private, and hybrid server products and services such as Windows Server, SQL Server, System Center, Azure, and Enterprise Services. And finally, the more personal computing segment will include Windows operating system licensing revenues, devices such as Surface phones, and gaming like Xbox consoles and search. Microsoft does this all the time. You know what? They've been revamping the way they report things several times in the past few years, so it's kind of not new, but they've announced this week apparently. So this was the news for Wednesday, September 30th, 2015. Hope you enjoyed these little news segments. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you like our videos, why not subscribe and give us thumbs up on the videos. Helps us on the rating on YouTube. If you have comments, questions, suggestions, and maybe some problems with your computer, why not share it with us? If we can, we will help you. Maybe even make a video and help others at the same time. And thank you for following me, and thank you for being such great people on the channel.